The campaign follows the jailing of 4 young men in Kent for causing more than £100,000.
I'm Garfield. What is Garfield?
Darling, the cat died 5 years ago, don't you remember?
Maybe.
My love, it's normal, you suffer from Alzheimer's. The memory loss is one of the first symptoms, do you remember? We all age, it's a natural process. It affects all of us, inside and out. Our mitochondrial efficiency decreases with time, and functionality of our proteasome declines in the same way that our DNA repair mechanism loses effectiveness. It is normal, and it's not anyone's fault, we are designed this way.
Isn't it our fault? Epigenetics?
Yes, you're right. Epigenetic includes DNA methylation, histone modifications, and microRNAs. That is, modifications in the packaging and expression of inheritable DNA, but which don't involve any change in sequence, being closely related to all the aging process. During our life, methylation general levels are high, and when we begin to age, these levels decrease. But it isn't always the case, as in the GPC islands, rich in promoters. It's reversed because the methylation of these islands increases with age, being low initially. All this justifies the changes in gene expression and genomic instability that characterizes the aging process leading to disease. As in your case, since these transcriptional alterations and changes in neuroplasticity are correlated with locus-specific epigenetic changes.
During aging, vital bodily functions such as regeneration and reproduction slowly decline. As a result, the organism becomes more susceptible to stress, disease, and injuries. Under condition of short-term extreme environmental stress, the program allows the body to exceed its normal lifespan by entering maintenance mode. However, chronic or acute stress exposure exhausts the defense mechanisms and therefore accelerates aging.
In just 2 minutes you had time to research all that? Those are my genes acting in you for sure. But you forgot a couple of things, honey. Diet can affect the aging process too. The best characterized intervention to prolong lifespan is the reduction of nutrient intake without malnutrition, dietary restriction. Its effects could be due either to a general reduction of metabolic rate or to the absence of specific nutrients that would affect survival responses, acting as signals. Furthermore, many bioactive food components interfere with the epigenetic mechanism that influences, either directly or indirectly, the activity of epigenetic modification enzymes.
Grandpa?
What is Garfield?
Darling, the cat died 5 years ago, don't you remember?
The objective will be to identify epigenetic drugs in order to reverse changes which produce aging. Allowing to have a longer life free of diseases, specific compounds have already been developed. They are targeted to enzymes which are responsible of these changes, but all of them are still in clinical trials, to be tested with some diseases including cancer or Alzheimer's.